MBG's Expert Opinion Series. Today we have with us Mr. Piyush Pandey, our leader of Legal and Regulatory Affairs Department. Mr. Piyush, welcome to our series. In the wake of current COVID crisis, the government and all of us have an uphill task to revive the economy. What according to you are the major aspects of the stimulus package which might be critical for growth?
See Amit, if you remember last time our Honorable Prime Minister he has announced a mega stimulus package of 20 trillion Indian rupees, and apart from this stimulus package, government has announced various regulatory relief to support the businesses in this challenging time. And recently our Honorable Finance Minister, she has announced Atmanirbhar Bharat 3.0 and some additional stimulus package worth 2.65 trillion Indian rupees has been announced. So if we see the total stimulus package till date announced by the government, including the relief measures announced by the Reserve Bank of India, that is to the tune of 29.87 trillion Indian rupees, which is close to 15% of our GDP. And in the recently announced Atmanirbhar Bharat 3.0 scheme, the government has announced 12 relief measures that is very key to the growth of the economy. Like we have seen a lot of people have lost their employment. So the focus of the government is to create and generate new employment. So Honorable Finance Minister has announced a new Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana just to incentivize the creation of new jobs. So EPFO registered establishment, they will get subsidy by way of EPF contribution from the central government for a period of 2 years for creation of new jobs. And similarly, second measure is the government has extended the this applicability of emergency credit line guarantee scheme. Earlier it was till 31st October, now it has been extended till 31st March. And very important relief measure that has been announced by the government is the production link incentive scheme. Actually it has been approved by the cabinet recently, and then in this Atmanirbhar Bharat announcement, the government has allocated a fund of 1.46 trillion Indian rupees to promote the manufacturing in 10 sectors like white goods manufacturing, telecom sector, textile sectors, pharmaceutical sectors. So this will boost the domestic manufacturing and it will boost the economy. And just to create new employment, the finance minister has also allocated an additional fund of 180 billion Indian rupees towards the PM Awas Yojana, and I think this will add around 78 lakhs new jobs, and of course it will also improve the production and sale of the steel and cement, and resulting, I think it will have a multiplier effect on the economy. And just to improve the liquidity in the business, the government has also announced, like we have seen in all the tenders, there is a requirement of performance security to the tune of 5 to 10%. So it has been reduced to 3%. So it will also increase the liquidity into the business system. So I think these are the key measures of the stimulus package.